second night in Port Harcourt, having a cup of coffee. Right about now, this is Port Harcourt day 2, and we're trying to explore what's going on in Port Harcourt. And this place happens to be one of the rich areas in the riverine area, very rich in crude oil. This is where they extract most of our crude oil. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the pool section. Let's see what's going on. Ladies and gentlemen, day 2 in Port Harcourt. Right about now, I'm chilling. I just came here to swim. And I met a young man in an elderly body, you know.
My name is Oga Polika Adekon.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Isaac Park in out of Port Harcourt City. And right about now, we are in Fruit Garden Market. This is where they sell food stuffs. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning from Port Harcourt City. We woke up on the good side of the bed tonight. This is like my second night in Port Harcourt, having a cup of coffee. Right about now, this is Port Harcourt day 2, and we're trying to explore what's going on in Port Harcourt. And this place happens to be one of the rich areas in the riverine area, very rich in crude oil. This is where they extract most of our crude oil to refine. So we'll be going to the refineries, Port Harcourt refineries. We'll be going there, we'll be seeing a lot of things going on, and we'll be showing you, because the governor of this particular state was suspended due to insecurity, or due to unable to manage what's going on in the society. So there is an incumbent soldier that is disputing or disposing the affairs of government now. But so far so good. I see like this place is peaceful. There's no any violence whatsoever happening in the city or in the villages. And one thing about this place is that everywhere is planned. Port Harcourt is a planned city, as in there are a lot of bridges, a lot of people are very nice. Like I've been talking to a lot of people and they are so nice. I've seen some people too that, but Port Harcourt is a beautiful place to come. For my people watching me from any part of the world, please kindly come to Port Harcourt. It's a very beautiful place, and we'll be going to the museum today to show you the histories that emanated from this particular place. So Port Harcourt is a rare gem. It shows that Nigeria is very beautiful. Like, it's very beautiful. Coming to Port Harcourt, I came to Port Harcourt by road, and I climbed almost 4 rivers, the 4 rivers before heading to Port Harcourt. Like, the first river was the Ondo to Benin River, and from the Benin River to Delta River, that's second river, and the third river is from Delta to Bayelsa, and from Bayelsa to Port Harcourt before getting here. So 4 rivers before getting to Port Harcourt from Lagos, and I can tell you that I've been enjoying myself so far. Sometimes I wish I could stay longer. So Port Harcourt is a very beautiful place. Stay with me. There are a lot of exciting places I want to show you guys, exciting restaurants that is going on here. You know, I'm just woke up, wear my pajamas, trying to have a conversation with my people to let you know that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the pool section. Let's see what's going on. I don't know how to swim. I'll give it a try. Let's go. Doing it. What a season. Swimming. Swimming is fun. A lot of exercise going on in swimming, holding your breath in, different style, different strokes. It's happening in swimming. I'm not a very perfect swimmer, but I'm just trying, you know. I've been looking at people swimming, the way they do it. That's just it. Ladies and gentlemen, day 2 in Port Harcourt right about now. I'm chilling. I just came here to swim. And I met a young man in an elderly body, you know, and we have been discussing since. And to be fair of me to introduce him, because it's going to blow very soon. And I will also work with him. Anybody that is coming to Port Harcourt, maybe any international somebody that is coming to Port Harcourt, I will
bring them to him and tell them like, yeah, if I can make it. So let me introduce you to him now. Let go. Ladies and gentlemen.
My people. My name na Oga Polika. I dey come. I dey come. This my boss now. We just telling us say I dey come. True. God don't give a message say I dey come.
Inshallah.
Within that now we say fear don't come off my body. Maybe very soon I will see my first video.
Starboy, Starman is coming up.
I put God first too.
So
then come put in a second.
So
come put my Oga follow.
Yes,
so
God first only.
I dey come.
Inshallah.
I dey come.
So
God bless all of you now.
I mean.
Thank you.
So okay, Mr. I want to ask you one question.
Okay, sir.
Like for example now, people will never come Port Harcourt before.
Okay.
And they can't do Port Harcourt. They won't know waiting and wait the sub for Port Harcourt. So what can you tell them? It's okay, and so Port Harcourt B, and so Port Harcourt B, and these things they happen for Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt is beautiful. Wait till you could just talk from your own point of view.
For the first thing you say, we the Port Harcourt people, we they believe say if we never reach somewhere, we never arrive. We forget say we don't get plenty celebrities for music industry and for entertainment industry. Oga Sabinu is now one of them.
Yes.
And other musicians by way, because none of the music person sorry. So we get entertainment, we get where they grow. So for Port Harcourt, peace day, first of all. Peace day. So for you where they hear any other thing, no believe say then say come see waiting there for Port Harcourt. You hear me? Port Harcourt is a land of entertainment. If you come here, if you take your eye, see. Confirm. Nothing do us. Nothing do us.
So what make Port Harcourt different from all other south states?
Well, Port Harcourt na hub where come plenty tribe. For Port Harcourt, you go see plenty tribe. Not be one community there for Port Harcourt. But then the difference we say for other south we say, for south we say, if you see like 10 people, we from example, we from Kaduna, we for other south side state. But for Port Harcourt, Kaduna people go reach 100. You understand me now? That be different. I know that you don't understand me. If you see a handful of people for other south state, but if you come from Port Harcourt, then plenty. So you know go say your brother self there for Port Harcourt until you say make we go so meeting for so tribe. Muna come, you go see say your people go full ground. But for other south side state, you go see handful of them. So Port Harcourt na place to be.
So what and what do you think say these are things that say you still need for Port Harcourt? Like say you want anybody with they watch, with they know say okay Port Harcourt to
well
what thing we still need for Port Harcourt?
For Port Harcourt now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Isaac Borough Park in out of Port Harcourt City, and this is like a monumental park showing the struggles in which the soldiers fight for the Niger Delta region. So this is like a monumental park to kind of give them an appraisal for their efforts towards the national unity here in out of Port Harcourt Park bus stop. So I'm going to be showing you the list of the soldiers there. So you guys stay with me in Isaac Borough Park in the heart of Port Harcourt, talk out of Lagos, talk out of Port Harcourt. If you are watching this my YouTube channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and like, so that a lot of people that want to come visit the Port Harcourt region can see it at first hand. Like ladies and gentlemen, we are at the park of Isaac Borough Park, and I was told that this man was one of those soldiers. This is a group of soldiers But the leader of the soldiers' name is Isaac Boro. They named this park after him because his effort towards the Niger Delta independence. So this park is just like a monument park for Isaac Boro in Port Harcourt. You see all those armor type, navy, the symbol of liberty. Liberty. See, the symbol of liberty here in Port Harcourt. See them? It's a symbol of liberty in Port Harcourt. So this is the Isaac Boro Park in the heart of Port Harcourt. This is Isaac Boro Park in the heart of Port Harcourt. So in case you're wondering, this is me. I'm doing pictures of the soldiers that fought for the Niger Delta independence. Yeah, and I really love this. So nice, so beautiful in here. So these are his soldiers. These are his group of soldiers. 1, 2. These are the group of the soldiers that fought with him, for the highly soldiers respected that gave their life to the cause of Niger region freedom. Isaac Boro is their leader, and you can see them. This is one of their statues of the names and people. Let's see. Let's go towards to see the Isaac Boro man himself. You see, there's one there. It's a beautiful park, a green park, nice serenity. You can just see the green land. You see the green land. You want to come and read your book, you want to come and have some, clear your head. This is the right park. You see the birds flying. See the birds flying. Tell you that it's so peaceful here, gliding in the air. See, Isaac Boro Park now, yo, out of Port Harcourt City. Or come Port Harcourt, you can come to Isaac Boro. He's a man. This is the Isaac Boro man. You can see his statue. You can see that this man is a man of discipline, leader. You see struggles, ever giant, ever ready. You can see him stepping on the trees. See, that's the Isaac Boro. Isaac Boro man. You can see there. You see Isaac Boro. Come on, good job.
Yes, sir.
What's the name of this market?
Yeah?
What's the name of this market?
Fruit Garden.
Fruit Garden.
Yes.
Right about now we are in Fruit Garden market. This is where they sell foodstuffs. A lot of foodstuffs going on here. Chama, please, how much be 1 derika of gari? 1 derika of gari, how much? 1 derika of gari, how much? Eh?
One rubber, Daddy.
One rubber. How much one rubber? How much one rubber?
Okay,
Don't buy now. Oh, yeah, sell market for us now.
2.7.
Eh?
2.7.
2.7 one rubber, be. Okay. How about stockfish? Come.
Which one?
This one like this.
1,000.
15,000. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, this is what Fugadi Market in Port Harcourt. This is where foodstuffs. You can see foodstuffs. A lot of foodstuffs going on here. Called Fugadi Market. You can see. Port Harcourt is very peaceful. The thing is Fugadi Market. Ogabi sir, boss sir. I didn't know sir. You don't show for there, Ogabi. Yes, sir. So this is pepper, all kinds of pepper here. So go like this. Vegetables. Sorry.
You wanna snap me?
I don't stop it.
Snap me now.
Oh yeah, nah. Come now. You want talk? Come now. Oh yeah, nah. Let's see your name now. Tell your people your name. Kukumba. There you go. Let's go like this. Eh? Let's go like this. You can see the sweet potato. This called. This one is not Irish. This one is sweet potato. See. Oh yeah, chop out now. What's the name of this market? What's the name of this market?
Fruit garden market. Fruit and vegetable.
Okay, fruit and vegetable garden market. Yeah. I don't know. This is like carrot, abi?
Yeah, this one carrot, broccoli, cauliflower. I mean, snap me.
Oh yeah, I like this guy.
This one cauliflower, this one broccoli, this one carrot.